Can I use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature of the ham while it cooks?
Absolutely. Using a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature of a ham while it cooks is a great way to ensure that it's cooked to perfection.
Why use a meat thermometer?
Cooking a ham to the right temperature is important for a few reasons. First, it ensures that the meat is cooked all the way through, eliminating any risk of foodborne illness. Second, cooking a ham to the right temperature can help ensure that it's not overcooked and dried out.
How to use a meat thermometer?
Using a meat thermometer is actually quite simple. First, make sure your thermometer is clean and sanitized. Then, insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the ham, making sure not to touch any bone. Wait a few seconds for the thermometer to register the temperature.
What temperature should the ham be?
The recommended internal temperature for a fully cooked ham is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. This temperature is high enough to ensure that the ham is fully cooked, but not so high that it dries out.
When to check the temperature?
It's important to check the temperature of the ham regularly throughout the cooking process, especially towards the end. This will ensure that you don't overcook the ham and that it's cooked to perfection. In conclusion, using a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature of a ham while it cooks is a great way to ensure that it's cooked to perfection. Remember to clean and sanitize your thermometer, insert it into the thickest part of the ham, and wait a few seconds for the temperature to register. The recommended internal temperature for a fully cooked ham is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, so be sure to check the temperature regularly throughout the cooking process.